Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. And as promised, I said I would show people how to do this around a rectangle or a box. And it was quite a bit more difficult than I had planned. So it took me some time. But I showed you, and if you haven't watched the previous video on how to do this, you need to back up and watch it probably first or you'll be lost. And the only way I can figure out how to do this, and first of all, you need to go to, depending on where your snap to is, Corel's moved it around on mine, and now I'm going to go snap to, make sure your snap to object is on. So you've got this side, you've got one side complete, and it was relatively easy after the first video. And it's grouped together, so we're going to go Control D and make a duplicate. And then we're going to rotate it 90 degrees. And then we're going to bring it down the page. And if you will grab one of those outside corners where you get that cross, well, you probably need to grab the outside corner and have it snap to that corner. Now that looks really bad, but I promise you it's not as bad as it looks, and it'll be pretty easy. And we're going to have a pretty neat deal here. So what you want to do is you want to encompass all this, and I'd go and do all four corners before you do this, but I'm not going to take the time in the video. And I'm going to go and group, and I'm going to ungroup all. And then you've just kind of got to use your imagination, get your pick tool, and and if you didn't watch the first video, we drew this in little blocks. So we're going to delete that one. We're going to delete that one. We're going to delete that one. We're going to delete this one. We're going to delete this one. We're going to delete this one. And we have to delete that twice because of the fact that it's on both copies. And then you need to delete that one. Bam. It's done. I tried it several ways. You're going to have breaks on the outside and breaks on the inside. But there's really no, so you've got like two solids here and a solid here and a broken one there. But who's gonna really know? And I just couldn't figure out another way to draw them individually and turn them which way. And then of course to do the other side, you would just do the exact same thing. And that's why I said I would possibly do them both together, because you need to group these together before you can turn it. And then just double check you've got it. Make sure you can see you took part of the other one away. But that doesn't really matter. You can make a duplicate and turn it this way. Anyway, that's the only way I can figure out how to do it. It came out pretty good. I was pretty proud of this drawing. But you do have some solid sides and open sides. But that's part of the figure. Anyway, hope that helped a little bit, and thank you for watching.